forgot to add in here, I just welded this bar across here, and this is the type of project where I've been forgetting to record stuff, but you know, I just tacked it on there. It's nothing really. I didn't even grind off the little, you know, burrs, as you can see. Oh well, it's a mini bike. But that's gonna be on there for the footrest because this didn't have one, and I just primered up the bars as well. So we'll let these dry, and we'll start painting that beautiful shade of blue that I found. I don't even know what it is, but it's really cool looking.